Hey everyone! I'm so excited to share this video with you guys today. I just purchased the Mint Printcess planner and I'm just so happy about it because I really wanted something that was like a bullet journal but kind of had the look of an Erin Condren planner or one of those recollections planners or something similar like that, and I just didn't know where I was going to find that until I looked on Etsy. And I actually was on Instagram searching through things and I said, oh my gosh, this is exactly what I've been looking for. And then I just went along and purchased it. So I'm going to be reviewing it, taking a first impressions look at it. So please follow along. So one of the first things that you get is this pop phone grip, and it's really cute because it has the Mint Princess logo on it. And I really like these. Actually, I just found out about them. I'm kind of slow, so I had no idea what they were, but I'm really happy that I get my own Mint Princess pop phone grip. It's pretty cool. And with it, you also get a little thank you note and your receipt. So it's really cutely packaged and it just makes it even more special when you get it. Okay, so finally, moving on to the planner. I really love the coil, and you can pick your own color, which is really awesome. The coils are actually pretty flexible and movable, but that does not affect the sturdiness of this planner at all. This planner also comes with its own ruler, which is really great for making straighter lines. A ruler is definitely my best friend when I have my bullet journal. And it's removable as well as the covers, actually, which I realized later on in the video. Holding the cover in my hand right now, it's actually pretty sturdy and strong and very good quality. So this is the first page, and it's really cute with the logo. And I'm going to show you guys a close-up of the paper. My lighting was a little bit off, so we didn't get to see the dots, but I'm going to show you a close-up. This dotted paper also comes in many other colors. I was actually tempted to get pink, and I was like, I like pink a little too much, so let me just stick with the white. And I really love how this looks all together, so I'm so super happy with this. Ooh, in the back there's also a logo page, which is so cute. You can use it as your note pages probably. Yeah, I am so happy with this planner. I love it. It's a planner slash journal, exactly what I wanted. And this is my Erin Condren, so I'm just gonna compare the coils. These coils are much stronger and bigger, which I don't necessarily like, but just to see the size comparison, just a little bit longer than the Erin Condren, but not really. It's pretty much the same size. And this is how it looks in the inside. It's very structured. Meanwhile, the bullet journal is so open to freedom. It's just you do whatever you want, and that's what I really wanted in a planner. This is my recollections planner. Also a lookalike of the Erin Condren, but it's also a little bit nicer, colorful, and there even is gold coils, and it's actually a cheaper version of the Erin Condren. The coils are also bigger, but not as sturdy as the Erin Condren. All in all, I really have to say I love this book. And this is my bullet journal, a fraction of the size. It will have so much more space to have my weekly plans, all my plans. So that actually might be really good. I might be able to put more things on one page rather than spread it out. This is also other planners that I have. This is a mini planner, a recollections planner, and I also have my best wishes planner, which I got from AliExpress, which is an A5 planner. It's actually just a little bit wider than the A5 planner, but has the same height, which is pretty cool. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I'm so happy that you watched, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it was helpful for you. Stay tuned for the next video as I test out markers, pens, and watercolor brushes in this gorgeous mint princess planner. Love ya!